Welcome to Obsalvers. Did you accidentally poke someone on Facebook? In this video, I will show you how can you unpoke them. So from your mobile, open Facebook app, open your profile by clicking profile picture at the top right. Okay, so let's open a friends page. See all friends. Let's select this friend. So here is the poke button. I can poke him and I can quickly unpoke him by clicking undo button. Poke, undo. But if I delay that action, if I don't undo, I cannot poke him again for a certain period of time. Wait until they poke you back or poke again after 24 hours. Okay, so how can I unpoke this person if I accidentally did it? That is the question. So let's go back and from your profile, click settings icon, scroll down, click activity log, expand your Facebook activity by tapping at it. Scroll down, other activity, pokes, and here's that poke that we did just now. Click three dots and then press delete. Delete. Poke was deleted. Let's go back and see if we can poke him again. Profile, see all friends. This was that friend, and we have this poke button here again. So this is how you can unpoke a person on Facebook on mobile. Alternatively, go to your profile, search pokes, select pokes on Facebook, select pokes. On top, people you poked will be displayed. Don't click, but tap and hold a friend you want to unpoke. From the menu, select dismiss poke. Press dismiss, and the pokes for that friend will be gone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.